Good morning. I've arrived here in wilderness South Africa at the home of my friends. And this morning, day one of my 20 days in South Africa, I just wanted to mention that at the George Airport last night, as I was waiting for my friends to get there to pick me up, there were lots of cars coming to pick other passengers, other flight passengers up, and there was a pretty strong sense of exhaust, automobile exhaust, as I was standing there waiting. And I think that South Africa and many other countries around the world don't have nearly as strong pollution restrictions on vehicles. And just wanted to mention that ethanol is virtually pollution free, and there's no smell from the exhaust. And so that's just one of many benefits of ethanol, that there would be no exhaust smell from vehicles. Okay, that's my thought for the day. Talk to you later.